What is up, guys? This is Jay from the Crypto.org, coming back to you once again with some bullish news. Before I get started, I just want to say some disclaimers before I get into trouble. And that is that I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice. It is very important that viewers do their own research. There is a lot of risk involved when it comes to trading cryptocurrency, as well as any other types of investments. If you are not researching whatever you're putting your money into, you're basically gambling. Alright, so before I get started with the news, I just want to remind you guys of the fourth industrial revolution, which is the new economy. And if you're ever looking into cryptocurrency, looking into which coins you want to put your money in, always remember and think about the fourth industrial revolution. If it does not apply to it, please do more research into it or look into other cryptocurrencies that have utilities that cater towards the fourth industrial revolution. I have followed that method for ever since I started getting into cryptocurrencies, and all I can say is that my portfolio has grown quite a lot, as well as the other people that follow me. Alright, before I get started with the other news, let's get started with The Unholy Trinity by Gregory Mannarino. First, we have the 10-year yield. Ooh, wow. Okay, so earlier it was around 1.59. Now it's at 1.6. Still, it's stable. However, the slight rise will definitely put a little bit more pressure in the market. So expect a little pullback from that. All right, so here we have next is the dollar index. As you can see, it is still low. So that is definitely a good sign for the market, just based on that. So you have one negative, one positive. But of course, the 10-year yield is still stable, giving us that really good floor for the market to be propped up. Next on that list, we have crude oil. Still no changes. Oh, okay. Well, there's some slight change. Well, anyways, it's still in the negatives. Yes, that cyber attack in the U.S. pipeline will definitely play a major role when it comes to propping up crude oil. So today, the market is getting a little bit of pressure. Market's flat in terms of cryptocurrency. So I don't expect like a big push today. However, tomorrow and the rest of the week are definitely going to be good weeks. All right, moving forward, we have the repos. Let me refresh the page, see if there's new repos for you guys, or for us all. Like, oh, yes, there is. Oh my goodness. All right, so here we have two repos, or maybe you know what? Maybe this was posted earlier. I just didn't notice, but yeah, there's now two repos starting today and ending on tomorrow. So definitely expect money tomorrow. All right, so let's move forward to the others. Okay, that's not it. Let's check the crypto market using CoinMarketCap. All right. All right. Hello, look, two squiggly lines looking like they're mirroring each other. Of course, that's only possible with bots in the background. And yes, one thing you guys do have to realize is that the whole idea of the free market is basically almost dead, because the major market makers are the bots, which are pretty much controlled by the Fed or the New World Order. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin dominance is going down a little bit more, meaning less money going into it. Ethereum dominance, however, is going up, so maybe that Bitcoin money is going to Ethereum. And of course, if Bitcoin right now is consolidating, it is poised for another rally up. Once again, that's not investment advice. Please do your own research. And moving forward with the news. All right, which one should I get started first? All right, this one, Dogecoin, an invaluable fad that will help the cryptocurrency space, says exec. Do I believe that? Of course. because they need Dogecoin to be propped up in order to lure the masses into this market space. And of course, it does have other friends like Shiba or Shiba Inu, as well as Akita to help bring mass adoption to cryptocurrency. Also, when it comes to Dogecoin, it does have a lot of great partnerships, like with Flare, giving it the ability to have smart contracts. And Dogecoin is also having a decentralized exchange of its own. It's still in the works. I don't have any news about it. I discovered that news months ago. So do expect that. And also at the same time, Dogecoin is already a cryptocurrency that is accepted widely. Pornhub is one of them, Dallas Mavericks, and Elon Musk is saying that he will be accepting Dogecoin for SpaceX or somewhere along those lines. So I don't see Dogecoin going down anytime soon. It will be very volatile and will respond to Elon Musk news heavily. So do pay attention to Elon Musk and his Twitter account, because that's where he'll make the signals. And coincidentally, it always happens when the charts are primed for it to go up. You know? And yeah, I definitely do think it's planned, but they're not going to say that. All right, so I was just talking about this. Literally to the moon, SpaceX payload funded by Doge plans to reach lunar orbit in 2022. Yep, like I said, Elon Musk will be accepting Doge as a form of payment for SpaceX, and he's saying that, Dogecoin will be the main currency for Mars. I find this really funny because we have a lot of issues on Earth, and now all they want to do is go to Mars or go to space and sell the whole idea of space. All right. So that's it for that one. You guys can copy the title and read into this yourself. I'm gonna be moving on to something else. All right. So China's much hyped digital yuan fails to impress early users. Now here's what happened. Most of the users are, of course, in China right now, using Alipay and Tencent or Tenpay, like WeChat Pay and QQ Wallet, to basically pay for whatever using the digital yuan. Now, the digital yuan, of course, is poised to be the next world reserve currency, but of course, they're not going to talk about that yet. Also, with the digital yuan, their citizens are finding a breach in privacy when it comes to their finances, and they don't like that at all. But the sad part is that is the nature of cryptocurrencies and or digital currencies. Nobody's safe in terms of privacy anymore. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole plan, guys. There's all the things that have been happening was just to move us towards this time in history, so that way they can literally track every single transactions that we do, so that way we get taxed for every single thing that we do. No more under the table transactions. However, you still have precious metals. And remember, that is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Please do your own research. Wow, I'm getting tongue-tied here about precious metals. All right, moving forward. Bitcoin bull run won't end anytime soon, as whale buying hints at new floor of 52,000. Yeah, like I said before, Bitcoin's just been coiling up. You know what? Let's take a look at the chart, see how it is. See how it is. All right, well, it's been consolidating for more than a month, so no wonder I'm connected to the internet. Slow. Okay, well, let's take a look at the... No, that's not right. It's not a straight line. You're kidding me. Oh, okay, you know what? It's the orange line that I'm gonna look at. All right, let me get a bigger overview. So if you look at it in the 3 month chart, you can see that it's just been playing along the 47,000 to 62,000 or close to 63,000 range. It's been bouncing up and down in that range. I definitely do think it's going to retest the 60,000 line soon, especially with the very bullish news and the taproot upgrade that Bitcoin is getting, which is going to help with improving privacy, having smart contracts, lower transaction fees, as well as faster network. All right. And that is very bullish news for Bitcoin. So just based on this, you can see that they're due for another run up. And remember, that's not financial advice. And yeah, that's all I pretty much have for you today. If you do like what you're listening to, just press like and subscribe. I will have more news on the crypto market probably later on today, and I might give a gem. You know what? I'll do that some other. You know what? I'll let you find out by staying in tune. Okay. So thank you guys for listening. I will be back very soon. Take care.